Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to use the Genlab E3 range of products. Genlab are proud of their energy-efficient E3 range. They have been designed with energy-saving operation in mind, and as part of this, the units turn themselves off at preset times so they are not accidentally left on, wasting energy. The units are default set to only work between the hours of 7 AM to 7 PM, Monday to Friday. However, these times can be overwritten as follows. Press the configuration key, enter the password 0381, and then press enter. Now go to the timer section. You can enter 2 start and stop times per day. If an invalid time is entered, the value is shown in red and will remain red until a valid time is set. If you want the unit to stay on all of the time, put the start time in as 0001 and finish at 23:59 for each day. When set between 0001 and 23:59, the unit will turn off for 2 minutes, but will not fall in temperature due to the additional insulation used on the E3 models. During the preset times, the unit displays run mode. Outside of the preset times, the unit shows energy saving mode. You can override the preset on-off times. To do this, press the 1-hour key as many times as you require the oven to turn on. Now press the start key and the unit will turn on for that period of time. This is called boost time. Within a few hours of the unit turn-off time, a new icon appears in the corner. Press this as many times as you want to add on to the preset off times, and then press the red on button. Now, when the preset off time happens, the unit adds these additional hours and turns off later than programmed for that day. The indicator status highlights this with the added time countdown status. If you wish to cancel the added time, scroll with the +1 hour button until 0 hours are displayed, and then press the red button to go back into energy saving mode. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.